Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick update about my channel, and yesterday I filmed what you're gonna see next, which is a video of me in my bed. And what I'm talking about is about my channel name. You're gonna get to know why did I change. No, I did not get married. You're gonna just get to know the truth in the video just after this. Enjoy, and thank you for those of you who are still here since the ever beginning. I'm very grateful for you, and if you're new here, welcome and enjoy. I changed my channel name. Why is that? Well, I think it all has to do with identity actually, and when I launched my channel, it was 1.5 years ago. You know, like coming up with a name is not always easy, like a brand name or just a name, like a nickname. But so I came up with that one, and HEREN no TV was inspired from Japanese actually, because I was studying Japanese in a school at that time, and I'm still studying Japanese now, but on my own and with friends. That's it. Anyway, it was kind of to underline my love for Japan and Asia. I think, yeah, I don't know, it was hard. I wanted to do like Helen's TV, but it was not so funny in English. Right now, I no longer connect with that nickname, and I wanted a name that resonates more with me and on the perpetual level. So I just end up by choosing my last name. Some of you who know me personally, you might know that this is not like the name that you see on my papers and official administrative stuff, but actually it is the real name of my family. And God gave me the opportunity actually at the beginning of this year to get to know that that was the real name of our family. There's a long like kind of mystery around that. When I just read that it was our real name, it made sense to me, like it was more connected with who I am. So as you may see in my name, I have Armenian roots from my father's side. Actually, I have like my origins are pretty long. That's who I am. I'm Helene Levonian, and I'm happy to have that name and those Armenian roots. That's all I wanted to say about the name of my channel. It's a shift and it's good. My back is just hurting from just standing as I was. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you. I love you. Bye. Sometimes I wish I was born in a foreign country. Qui se souvient de cette musique? I was not born in a foreign country. Je suis née en France, but it is what it is.